Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at the Samsung Galaxy A13. Does it support dual SIM card? Now if I remove the SIM tray on this device here, you can see it has 3 slots. So does it support dual SIM card? Well, that will depend on where you buy the device. In some region it will have dual SIM card, and in some region that feature is being blocked out. You can see here on this SIM tray it has filled up the additional slot which has been blocked out. So if you are in Asia Pacific, and depending on where you are, again this one will be available for you to use as a dual physical SIM, and as well as an SD card slot. And in some region it will block out and you will not be able to use it. So the answer is yes. It will depend on where you stay and where you purchased your device from. And if you purchase them, say, in the United States or maybe in United Kingdom, you may not get them. And that's it. So always just check to make sure that it does support dual SIM card, and do not assume that it always going to support dual SIM card. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.